People who are covered by workers' compensation in Illinois is any employee who's hired in the state of Illinois, any employer who has their main base of business in the state of Illinois, and traveling employees who work out of the state of Illinois are all covered. The gray areas would be some truck drivers who are considered independent contractors. They may still be covered if they meet certain requirements. Another gray area would be someone who lives in Illinois, but technically they're hired by phone call by somebody, say, in Iowa. The location of hiring is the last step. If you live in Illinois and you go to interviews in Illinois, you might get a phone call from somebody else, but we consider that hired in Illinois. In workers' compensation, the common industry is literally every industry. I've had people who work in a law firm hurt their shoulder opening a filing cabinet. I've had people working on a construction site fall in a hole. Anybody who works doing any type of job can be injured. What was being done, so long as you're doing something in the furtherance of your employment, it'll be considered a workers' compensation claim. The types of injuries and illnesses covered by workers' compensation state of Illinois are any on-the-job injury, no matter it be a broken finger to a slipped disc needing a back surgery. Those will all be covered. Any type of injury like that, anything can happen to you at work that happens while you're working in the furtherance of your employment is considered workman's compensation. Workers' compensation in the state of Illinois has basically three benefits. One is you're entitled to pay 2/3 of your average weekly wage while you're off of work. Second, you're entitled to have 100% of your medical bills that are for the care and rehabilitation of injury paid for. And third and finally, once your doctor releases you from care, you're entitled to a settlement for the lost use of the body part that was injured. The way to maximize your workers' compensation settlement is to follow your doctor's orders. Do the treatment he recommends and ask your attorney, what should I be doing? And as an attorney, of course, we're not doctors. I always fall back on a doctor's opinion. If the doctor says you do more physical therapy, do more physical therapy. If the doctor suggests you should get this injection, get the injection. The doctor's there to help you. We're there to guide you. So if you want to maximize your recovery, you follow the doctor's orders because you're going to maximize the recovery of the settlement and maximize your physical recovery as well.